Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. As you can see, I'm back in action. Rahul and I are heading to Bombay. I'm still a little bit of pain, but I think the majority of my pain was muscular from the gym. Because you know, I'm just that kind of beast. And actually there's not much more. Okay, we finally got to Bombay, dropped off our stuff at a buddy's place, and Kushi and I are grabbing a quick meal before we head to our first meeting. We're eating at Madras, guys. Kushi, can we eat inside? It's hot outside. Hello, khule? Oh, fabulous. Come this side, no? This side, like here.
Why?
Because you'd be in the same frame, man.
It's not like this, no.
Just come here, man.
You really don't talk to you like that.
Just come here.
No, it's the frame is really not important.
The frame is important.
It's really
what
not.
else? What is more important?
Talking to you, it's real life. I'm sick of your filming all the time, bro.
Why are you sick of me filming all the time?
Because I cannot adjust my life.
Guys, could you please comment below telling Kush to be a little more supportive of our endeavors?
Get lost.
Kush, we're going to eat. Kushi. Kushi. Kushi, what are you going to eat, Kushi?
I'm damn sick of you, Vivek. Just shut up.
Why, Kushi? What happened? What's the issue, Kushi? What are you going to eat?
Place and you're going to get me to eat the same thing you made me eat yesterday.
What did I make you eat yesterday?
I'm not.
What did I make you eat yesterday?
I hope you have vlogged tanks again.
What did I make you eat yesterday? Kush was supposed to go home for lunch yesterday, but we got busy working, so I just made him order some food to the office. So, and he enjoyed it because it was delicious idli sambar that from a nearby Udupi restaurant. And today we got out and he was too busy texting this new girl, so he didn't have time to pick a place. And he just expects me to do everything, like book the cab to Bombay, get it here, direct it, once we reach, pick place, get out, book a cab, get us there. So I just picked this really cool place called Madras. It's absolutely fantastic, great vibe, but they have great South Indian food.
What you heard? You looked at a phone, I swear I'll slap you, and I picked a Chinese place. You ordered for the same.
You picked a
I'm not talking shit on your vlog. I'm not even gonna complain on the vlog.
I'm forced to. I said, Kush, I said, go pick something yourself.
You're getting no content from me in the vlog. You asked me how was lunch,
picked a random Chinese place out of pure formality.
Yeah.
So I went and picked a nice Udupi restaurant.
Potato capsicum masala dosa.
Potato capsicum masala dosa. मैं मेरे लिए एक सादा डोसा ले आया.
Plain dosa.
Kush, you want a saदा dosa or? Oh yeah, so we're at, like I said before, we're at this restaurant called Madras Dive, which is basically like fancy Udupi. Like a plain dosa here is 130 rupees. Which is preposterous because most places cost like 30, 40, maybe 50 rupees a piece. See how good it is for 130 rupees. What do you think, Kush?
You're getting no content from me today.
Why?
These are made up my mind, bro.
Kush is just incredibly like unsupportive as a human being. He's too bitter in himself. He's a little frustrated. I'd give you the history, but I'm not as rude as him.
There's something extraordinary with lassi.
A dosa is here, and for starters, in terms of size, it definitely seems to be worth a little more than the standard price. Now needs to prove itself in taste. It is quite a large dosa. As you can tell, it is about 1/4 of my height. I'm 6 feet 2 inches tall. This is about maybe a foot and a half.
Your taste
Pretty impressive.
Dosa all.
Let's see
Every
how
dosa
good it
tastes
is.
the exact same.
Shut up, Kush. Stop giving me content. Very crispy. Very nice. The dosa is cool, right? But dosa is supposed to be crispy. But the challenge is in finding that balance between crispy and crumbly. And I think they've done a half decent job. Crisp crumb balance. I'd give it maybe a 5 on 10.
Stop trying to make
Cracks up.
dosa sound so. Secret to a good dosa. Shut up and eat your dosa, bro.
Another problem I face is that there's just not enough chutney. There's very tiny, very small quantity of chutney and sambar. Let's see, they charge for the orders of chutney and sambar. I just lost a ton of chutney to the sambar.
This is why
Simply not enough.
I got down my dosa and I'm sufficiently satisfied. Kush is enjoying his capsicum potato masala dosa.
You're not enjoying it.
Huh? It's average.
At best.
At best, it's average.
Mine too isn't anything exceptional, but
The price is triple,
so I mean it's definitely not worth the money. But I was really hungry, so I just satisfied my requirement to eat. Yes, please. Also, Kush is eating like a savage.
Well, we're done with lunch. We're heading out now.
okay lobby. It's a bit old.
It's old, that's all, but it's such
It's
a
a bit old.
very classy.
That is true.
So straight after our first meeting at Taj Lands, and Kush and I came down here to Super Kicks to visit a couple of our friends, Sinki, Nisha and Krish, who's now interning here. And I don't know if I've showed you guys Super Kicks properly before, but it's India's, I think, second properly curated sneaker store for like the whole culture and everything. And I think it's important to show you their collection. I'm waiting for Rahul to get here because he's much better at shooting B-roll than I am. We have some other work to do, then we're going to go wrap that and come. So Rahul's going to get here, pick up the camera, do some B-roll, and I'm going to meet him. And Kush, are you still on your Maun Vrat? Are you still on your Maun Vrat, Kush?
No content here from vlog today.
That's so rude and unsupportive. It's not even funny. Like,
Yeah, ping me.
keep like shooting your face. After Super Kicks, Adnan came to pick us up, and nice cab drove us all the way to Andheri, where we had to deliver a shirt and pick up a few pairs of shoes for the store. And that's what we're on right now. Quick delivery. I wish I was here to work out, but Adnan and I just had the multi-fit here in Bombay to pick up the masks that we left off here for sale. So I mean, for those of you who don't know, Adnan and I run an important distribution business, and the first product we were dealing with is this fitness mask. It's like a high altitude training mask. We started selling online. I want to try out some physical retailers, so we put some in this gym here, but there's no one there to tell people about it, and it isn't selling too well. So we're taking them back, and we're speaking to a trainer about having like physical personal trainers pushing them through influence, pushing them through with their students and clients and making commission opportunity. Let me go find the trainer first. This is my business partner Adnan. We run this mask thing together.
There are 4 levels at which you can restrict the knob, you know.
Yo, so we just stopped by my buddy Arya's place to see him for a bit because it's been a while. He's giving his exams last week here in his house, and now we're getting into a car. I'm gonna go pick up my dad from the airport. He flew to Thailand a couple of days ago, and Dad's gonna leave for Pune. I'm gonna chill with him for a bit. Sorry, I'm gonna chill with Dad for a bit. He's gonna leave for Pune, I'm gonna go back to KK's place and pass out. But that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching this vlog. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed it. Tell me whether you liked it or hated it, or you want me to do something different or anything at all. And I'll try to get on that. And make sure to subscribe to my channel because I really need it. And I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.